Okay, good afternoon to all of you. The thing is, till now only three students have joined here. So we will just wait for 2-3 minutes and then we will start for the practical sessions. And you people know the rules and the procedures that we follow here. Okay, so I am not going to repeat that because you people know the process already. Okay, so I hope you people are ready with your laptop and then we are going to start the practical classes. Okay, so in our last classes, we have discussed some practical problems and we have seen some solutions on those particular problems. Okay, today we are going to do one more new things, some new practical sessions in our Python, obviously. Okay, uh, between that, some of the topics or some of the problems you people know that you people have already solved in your C or Java language. But now we are going to do that in our Python language, but some of the cases are new. So in that case, we are going to discuss and have our things and operations, all that. Okay. So first, let's start with some basics that we already know. So we will go to that topics, to that practical related problems. Okay. So here you people can see the topic that is here in the number 7, searching and sorting algorithm, right? You people can see here that searching and sorting algorithm, that this searching and sorting algorithm you people know that people have from the classes of data structures. Then in some C programming classes we have talked about this merge sort, quick sort, bubble sort, and then some searching, that is definition of searching we people have done previously. So now we are going to discuss on this particular topic. So our first problem in the cases here, we are going to talk about the bubble sort. We are going to talk programming for bubble sort. So you people know the logic of bubble sort, that how to solve the bubble sort in C. So what can anyone tell me the what is the logic of bubble sort? How we can solve the problem of bubble sort? Anyone? What is the logic behind bubble sort? Dolly, Pallavi, Shubham.
So by finding the middle term and then sorting the array according to it.
Okay. Means how we proceed? Means what is the logic? Means suppose there are five numbers in an array. Okay, and the numbers in some random way. Okay, maybe some is minimum or some is maximum, that is haphazard. So what is the first step to solve the problem?
First, we find the mid value. Then we keep on comparing the first, starting from the first index, we keep on comparing the values of the array. And if the value is smaller, then we assume that it is from the first half. And if it is greater, then it is greater than the mid value.
Okay, but does we check the mid value first in bubble short cases? or whether it is that swapping the first two values or comparing the first two values, and then if any of the values is greater or less than, then we are interchanging the values, then again comparing the next two values. It is the procedure.
Oh,
What is the procedure for bubble
sir,
shot?
we keep on comparing
In bubble shot, what we do that we just compare the process
the two
first
values
two
and
values,
then
means I zero term
sort it.
and yes, the zero term and one term, first we compare between those two
We
values.
compare and then we sort at each and
Yeah,
every step.
yes, yes, that is the process for bubble shot. Okay, so you have just misjudge it with some another type of shorting problem, but
Yes,
not
sir.
a
Yes,
problem.
sir.
Okay, so now we have the concept of bubble shot, that how we can solve the bubble shot. So let us just quickly make a program for the bubble shot. Okay, so right, think about the topic, think about the concept, that how we can solve that. You people have done it previously in C, Java type of programming. So let's do it in Python. So I think it will not take much time. Think about it and then do it in your Python compiler or Spyder, Jupyter, whatever you people are using ideally. So go on and do the programming for bubble shot. And when you are done with the code, you just tell me, then I am going to check. Okay, so uh, just do the program and then I am going to check the code. Okay. So the process of bubble shot, as I said to you people, just first we need to compare the values of first two position, first positions and the second position. Then if there is any shorting needed, then we need to short, and then again we are going to compare the second and third position, and if any shorting is needed. Okay, so there is, this is the process that we are going to follow in the case of bubble shot.
Sir,
Yes, Pallavi.
sir, Nishu is facing problem in joining the
Yeah,
class.
I can see the messages. The most many of them are texting me that there are some problems they are facing while connecting. Okay, so I cannot disconnect the class right now. So I am testing into the group that what we need to do. Okay, I am looking care of it.
So, Okay, sir.
uh, okay, Dolly and Golden, just do one thing. I am disconnecting this session as most of the students are saying that they are facing problems. Okay, so I am quickly reconnecting the link. Okay, just connect with the link again. I am just reconnecting with the link and then connect again. Okay, because there are some problems all of them are saying they are facing.